100. Now, the Wall Street Journal, there's an article in the Journal this morning. It warns, quote, the market faces risk of a bumpy autumn. How about that? Jason Katz with us this Monday morning. What do you think about that Journal article? Market faces bumpy ride in August, in the fall.
Look, I know you've been wringing your hands for several weeks now, and I know I've had unbridled enthusiasm for this market for a better part of a year and a half. And I will feed into your narrative and say there are some yellow flashing lights here. But what there aren't, Stuart, are warning sirens going off. Look, we haven't had a 5% correction in 11 months. We normally get over a 10% correction every year. We haven't had it in a year and a half. So there are preconditions for a bumpy ride, whether it be the whole meme stock phenomenon, the rise of crypto, the Delta setback, the inflation debate. Above all, and what's grossly underestimated here, are taxes. You and I talked about all the machinations if Biden won, if the Democrats took Congress, and what that would mean for taxes. Well, now it's the moment of truth.
Well, I mean, we can all wonder about our own personal taxes, but I wonder about corporate taxation. We hear this morning that the Democrats want to raise the corporate tax rate from 21 to 26.5%. If that happened, what impact on stock prices?
Well, first of all, the good news is it's likely not to be the 28% that we were discussing a few short weeks ago. So at 28%, we estimated that could hit corporate earnings to the tune of around 5%. So maybe there's a 3 to 4% hit to corporate earnings. We're estimating roughly a 10% growth in earnings next year, which is well above trend. Obviously, not going to rival this year over 50% growth, but a 8 to 10% earnings growth in a rate environment where the Fed is not tightening, they're tapering, and bonds simply are not a game in town, makes stocks reasonably valued. That said, brace for bumpiness, as the Journal has said, and as your hands have been wringing.
I'll leave it with this, Jason. You see some yellow lights flashing warning signals. I'll leave it at that, shall I? Is that good?
No sirens, no sirens.
No
Yellow
sirens, just flashing lights. Okay, that was a good analogy. Jason, thanks for joining.